Her doorbell camera recorded a nightmare, but the police found nothing. 2024, 3 o'clock a.m. A woman's phone alerts her to movement at the front door. The footage shows a girl screaming for help and being dragged away. The video goes viral. Millions of people try to identify the car. But when police arrive, there are no signs of a struggle. No DNA, no tire marks. Investigators found the victim 2 days later at a local party. It was a prank challenge designed to get views on social media. Should these pranksters face life in prison?